Welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking an in-depth look at the ASUS ROG Rapture GT-BE98 Pro, a high-performance quad-band Wi-Fi 7 gaming router designed to eliminate network bottlenecks, reduce gaming latency, and provide ultra-fast wireless speeds for modern connected environments. If you are building a high-bandwidth home network or demand peak performance for competitive online gaming, this router is built to push networking performance to its limits. The GT-BE98 Pro operates on a quad-band configuration, featuring one 2.4 GHz band, one 5 GHz band, and dual 6 GHz bands. Combined, this system delivers theoretical wireless throughput of up to 30 gigabits per second. It leverages key Wi-Fi 7 technology enhancements, including 320 MHz wide channels and 4096 COM data transmission, which together double the capacity and increase signal density compared to previous generations. Additionally, multi-link operation enables compatible devices to connect across multiple frequency bands simultaneously, improving reliability, throughput, and connection stability. Under the hood, the router is powered by a quad-core 2.6 GHz processor backed by efficient internal thermal architecture to manage heat and maintain steady performance under heavy workloads. Wired connectivity is exceptionally robust. The GT-BE98 Pro features dual 10 gigabit ports alongside four 2.5 gigabit ports, offering maximum flexibility for high-speed internet service plans, network-attached storage units, and dedicated gaming PCs. A designated 10 gig port can function as a dedicated gaming port, automatically prioritizing traffic for your primary gaming device. For coverage across larger homes, the router fully supports ASUS AI Mesh technology, allowing you to pair it with compatible routers to create a seamless, whole-home mesh network under a single network name. Gaming-focused features include multi-level game acceleration, mobile game mode prioritization via the mobile app, and built-in VPN fusion for flexible routing. While the GT-BE98 Pro offers top-tier wireless capabilities, achieving maximum Wi-Fi 7 speeds requires client devices that support the latest Wi-Fi 7 standards and 6 GHz bands. Additionally, its large physical footprint and bold aesthetic may require dedicated desk or shelf space. However, for power users, competitive gamers, and enthusiasts seeking maximum network bandwidth and future-proof performance, the GT-BE98 Pro provides a comprehensive, high-capacity solution. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to stay updated with our latest tech reviews, and drop a comment below with your thoughts on Wi-Fi 7 routers. Thanks for watching.